Sixth problem, given below is the balance sheet of Unsuccessful Limited as on 31st 3 2015. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Coming to adjustment, the following scheme of reconstruction was adopted. Coming to first point, rupees 10 preference share were to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 8 each. Before it was rupees 10 each. After reduce it is rupees 8 each. Coming to next, rupees 10 equity shares were to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 5 each. Before it was rupees 10. After reduce it is rupees 5 each. Creditors agreed to forego rupees 8,000. Coming to next, the amount thus available was to be utilized to the nominal asset and the balance, if any, to be written off goodwill. Pass the necessary journal entries and prepare reconstructed balance sheet. Coming to solution, in the books of Unsuccessful Limited, journal entries, 4 columns, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. Coming to first entry, old preference share capital account debit 50,000. This amount will be available in the balance sheet. Coming to next, to new preference share capital account, 5,000 share into rupees 8 each, 40,000. You will be writing in the credit side 50,000 minus 40,000. Balance will be 10,000. You will be mentioning in the credit side to capital reduction account. Note, being the reduction of 5,000 preference share of rupees 10 each to rupees 8 each. Next entry, old equity share capital account debit 50,000. To new equity share capital account 5,000 share into 5 each, 25,000. To capital reduction account 50,000 minus 25,000. 25,000 will be balance. You will be writing in the credit side. Being the reduction of 5,000 equity share of rupees 10 each to rupees 5 each. Coming to next entry, creditors account debit 8,000 to capital reduction account credit 8,000. Being the creditors agreed to forego rupees 8,000. Next, you will be making an entry of capital reduction account debit 43,000. This amount came from first entry capital reduction account 10,000, in second entry 25,000, and in third entry 8,000. If you are totaling, you will be getting 43,000. To profit and loss account, in the credit side you will be mentioning 2,500. To preliminary expenses account 3,000. This will be a part of nominal asset as mentioned in the problem. You will be taking nominal asset. Coming to next, to goodwill account, it will be an balancing figure 43,000 minus 2,500 minus 3,000. The balance will be 37,500. You will be mentioning as goodwill. In bracket you can mention as balancing figure. Note, being the utilization of capital reduction balance in writing of the nominal asset and goodwill. Reconstructed balance sheet of Unsuccessful Limited as on 31st 3 2015. 3 columns, equity and liabilities mentioned as point A. Note, amount, shareholders fund, share capital. This thing you will be taking from the journal entries. 5,000 8% preference share of rupees 8 each, 40,000. 5,000 equity share of rupees 5 each, 25,000. Coming to reserves and surplus, it is nil. Non-current liabilities also nil. Secured loans also nil. Current liabilities you will be checking out in the balance sheet. Creditors, the amount is 18,000. The creditors is forgo of rupee 8,000. So 18,000 minus 8,000, 10,000. Bank overdraft 20,000. If you are totaling in the liability side, the total will be an 95,000. So coming to point B, assets, non-current asset, fixed asset, the goodwill 62,500. You will be checking out the balance sheet, the goodwill is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 37,500. You can check it out in the balancing figure of capital reduction account. So you will be deducting 37,500 from 1 lakh. So you will be getting 62,500. Same thing you will be mentioning here, 62,500. Buildings 4,000. You will be checking out in the balance sheet. Plant 5,000. Coming to current assets, debitors 1,200. Stock 22,000. Cash 3,000. Total asset side will be 95,000. You will be checking out in the liabilities as well as the asset. The total should be same, 95,000, 95,000.